We have live with us Pat and Liza Pattison from Best of California. We're going to reveal California's top 10 hidden gems. I am turning it over to you two who've been doing so much work to prepare these 10 gems.
Well, I think we should start with the Hidden Gem Museum.
Yeah. So this is the CAF SoCal Wing up in Camarillo. Let's take a look at what I did up there. This is incredible. I'm at the Commemorative Air Force Aviation Museum SoCal Wing, and we're going to go up.
Yes, we are. This World War II primary trainer PT-19 aviation experience.
I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California. So much fun. What an experience here at the CAF SoCal Museum. You got to check this place out. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Pat, for coming.
It was incredible. Check this place out. More to Camarillo than I could have imagined. Talk to you soon. So Juliana Gonzalez got us up there. I really want to thank Kathy Newhart, Steve Ryder, John Cutright, John Luter, who was an incredible help. We did a whole bit with Jack in the Box because I was involved with some Jack in the Box stuff. And like I said, Juliana Gonzalez. So congratulations. I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California.